Hello everyone. Welcome to the video where we'll uncover 5 natural, easy-to-follow remedies for achieving that radiant, healthy glow. We're not just talking about quick fixes, but tips backed by science that truly work from the inside out. Get ready to feel confident and beautiful as we dive into these amazing skin-boosting secrets. First and foremost, hydration is the foundation of healthy, vibrant skin. Think of your skin like a plant, it needs water to thrive. Aiming for 8 glasses of water a day keeps your skin plump and supple, preventing dryness and dullness. Dehydration can make your skin appear lackluster and even contribute to wrinkles. So, stay hydrated throughout the day for a noticeable difference in your skin's health and radiance. Sleep isn't just about feeling rested, it's a crucial time for your skin to rejuvenate itself. While you slumber, your body works hard to repair and regenerate cells. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to promote this process. Getting enough sleep also helps reduce stress, which can manifest as breakouts and dullness on your skin. So, prioritize sleep for a healthier, more radiant complexion. Remember the saying, "You are what you eat." It's true for your skin too. A balanced diet packed with fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the vitamins and antioxidants your skin needs to thrive. These nutrients fight off free radical damage, which can cause premature aging and dullness. By nourishing your body with a healthy diet, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to glow from within. Exfoliation is the key to revealing brighter, smoother skin. Think of it as a spring cleaning for your face, removing the buildup of dead skin cells that can make your skin look dull. Use a gentle scrub 2 to 3 times a week. You can even create your own homemade scrub using natural ingredients like sugar and honey for a gentle, effective exfoliation. This simple step helps your skin absorb products better and gives you a radiant glow. For an extra boost of radiance, try incorporating natural face masks into your routine. Ingredients like yogurt, avocado, and cucumber are packed with vitamins and minerals that nourish and brighten your skin. These DIY masks are a great way to pamper yourself and give your skin a healthy glow. Simply apply the mask to your face, relax for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off for a fresh, rejuvenated complexion. Remember, achieving beautiful skin is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency is key. Make these natural remedies part of your daily routine and watch your skin transform over time. Enjoy your newfound radiance, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural beauty tips and tricks to enhance your skincare journey. Thank you for watching.